let's learn. We start by pushing out one hand in front, making an X with your arms, and then grooving it out. Here we go. Try it. 5, 6, 7, we go. Take this moment. One more time, go. 5, 6, 7, we go. Take this moment. Moving on, groove it out. We go bottle up, this, toss, toss. One more time, 5, 6, 7, we go bottle up, hands to your chest, toss, toss. From the top, 5, 6, 7, we go. Take this moment. Snap it out, 5, 6, bottle up, this, feeling. Snap it up. We repeat, 5, 6, 7, we go. Take this moment. Good. Bottle up, this, feeling. One more time. Here we go. From the top, 5, 6, 7, we go. Take this moment. Snap it out, 5, 6, bottle up, this, feeling. Snap it out one more time, 5, 6, 7, we go. Take this moment. Great. 5, 6, bottle up, this, feeling. Move it on. 5, 6, 4 snaps. We go. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. Try it. A 5, 6, 7, 4 snaps. We go. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. Looks amazing. Moving on. We're gonna bring up a 1 with our hands and grab and catch. Try it again. We go 1. We go grab. We go catch. One more time. 5, 6, 7. We go 1. A grab. A catch. Amazing job from the top. You got this. 5, 6, 7. You go. Take this moment. Snap it out. 5, 6. Bottle up, this, feeling. We repeat. 5, 6. We go. Take this moment. Snap it out. 5, 6. Bottle up, this, feeling. Here we go. 4 snaps. Let's do it. We go 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and a 1, and a grab, and a toss. Great. From here we groove it out. And then we repeat one more time. Take this feeling. Nice. Bottle up, this, feeling. Great. And that's the whole dance. Let's do it from the top. We got this. 5, 6, 7. We go. Take this moment. Great. 5, 6. Bottle up, this, feeling. Here we go. Repeat. We go. Take this moment. Nice. 5, 6. Bottle up, this, feeling. 4 snaps. 5, 6. We go. And a 1. A 2, a 3, a 4, and a 1, and a grab, and a toss. We go. A snap. And repeat. 5, 6. Take this moment. Great. Bottle up, this, feeling. And that is the end. You're a rock star. If you're ready, let's go ahead and try it with music. Remember, you can practice this as many times as you'd like until you feel that you are ready to rock it out with music. Amazing work. Let's do it.